Hello everyone, my name is Katia and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this simple and easy wrap. All you need to do is work double crochets in a row and you can make it as long as you want it to be. Then I'll show you how to attach it together using slip stitches so there's no sewing, and then I'll show you how to make this beautiful twist in the front. So let's get to it and create something great. For this project I'm using loops and threads. It's the Eco Cozy watercolors. And the color is called Sunset. It's a super bulky number 6 yarn. You can use any kind of yarn you want as long as it's super bulky number 6. You're also gonna need your 9mm crochet hook and your scissors and a tapestry needle. I'm making my wrap to be medium to large size. If you want your wrap to be a different size, I would measure my shoulders, so shoulder to shoulder, and depending on how many inches your shoulders are, I would make my foundation chain that size. I'm going to go ahead and slip knot to start. And I need a foundation chain of 80. So I'm going to go ahead and continue chaining, and I'll meet you once I have my 80 chains ready. Once you finish your chains, let's go ahead and work 1 double crochet into our 3rd chain from the hook. So here's 1, 2, and 3. Into this one, we're going to work a double crochet. To work a double crochet, let's yarn over, go into our chain, insert our hook, yarn over again, pull through. We have 3 loops on our hook. Let's yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over one more time and pull through 2. That's a double crochet. I'm going to work a double crochet into the next chain and then into the remaining chain from this row. Like so. Let's continue working 1 double crochet into each chain across, and I'll meet you once I have all of my chains worked with 1 double crochet. So here I have my 2 chains left. I'm going to go ahead and work 1 double crochet into those chains. And this is how it looks like. Now for row 2 and the rest of the rows, it's the same repeat. What we're going to do is chain 1 and turn. And going back into this stitch right here, right over here, we're going to work 1 double crochet. Now the chain 1 doesn't count as anything, it just helps us turn. And I'm just going to continue and work 1 double crochet. And that's the repeat. We're going to chain 1, turn, and work our double crochets until our wrap is long enough. I'm going to work 20 rows, so 21 altogether, including this one. And once I have my 21 rows completed, including my first row, I'll show you what to do next. So continue working on your rows and I'll meet you once we're done with row 21. Here I finished my 21 rows in total. This is how it looks like so far. If you want your wrap to be longer, you can continue and add more rows. Next, we're going to twist our wrap, and the way I twist it is I just take 2 ends and I just flip it like this and leave it. Now what we need to do is bring both of our ends together. So here's one end and here's my second end. And next, we're just going to slip stitch these 2 sides together to join, and in the front we're going to have our twist like that. I will show you how to join them together with the slip stitch. Here I just finished my one double crochet. It's my last double crochet, and I'm just going to continue on. And once again we have our twist formed, so leave it like that. And I have my two ends together. What we need to do is we're going to bring our hook right into the first stitch right over here, right into this space right here. And I'm going to yarn over and pull through both loops like that. This way it's going to be easier for me to just slip stitch along the two ends right here. So next what we're going to do is we're just going to look for stitches, any of the stitches on the sides, and just adding our hooks to both sides. So here's my one side and here's my second side, and I'm just connecting them together with the slip stitch. So again, choose any of the stitches from one side and then the second side, like so, and slip stitch. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm just looking for any of the stitches and I'm just slip stitching them together like so. And moving on like so. Try to, when you're looking for your stitches, don't go through both loops. Try to only go through one loop if you can, because then there won't be any spaces in between. You don't want to have big holes. You just want to kind of hide it together. So here I'm just going to continue slip stitching my two sides together to join them here. And once I come to the end right over here, I'll show you how to finish off. So here I have a couple of stitches left. I'm just going to go ahead and slip stitch. And I'm going to go ahead and make one more slip stitch and one more in here. Fasten off. This is how it looks like. Let's go ahead and cut our yarn. So this is how it looks like. Now you can go ahead and sew this if you don't want to slip stitch them together. You can sew the two ends together, but I feel like with bulky yarn it's easier to just slip stitch. Now I'm going to go ahead and work on my tails really quickly. I'm just going to knot them together. And hide my tails. And I'm just going to use any of the stitches from where we slip stitched them together and just hide my tails there. I'm going down, then coming back up. Like so. And then hiding it, going down one more time to hide my tail, like so. And repeat one more time. And we're pretty much finished. So let's turn our work inside out. This is the back and this is the front. So you have this nice twist to the front, and this is how it looks like. Your wrap is all finished. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.